Everybody, so this is a funny Python like pre-processor I found, and they have a GitHub. It's called PyGyat, and they even have a VS Code extension that you can install, which I have done that, and I'll show you it kind of working. But I didn't really do much with this. I don't plan on doing anything with this. I kind of just thought it was funny, and it is interesting because I've never done anything with a like a preprocessor, and I know there's Python as well, and it is interesting to me to just like what it would take to make something like that. But they have a full-on GitHub. Here's the keywords, the keyword mapping. And the PyGyat is like iPad kid programming language or brain rot. And it just has words that are replaced with the PyGyat words. And yeah, and so like this one's funny. Try except finally as Hawk to a spit on that thing is finally. So anyways, I thought this was just funny just to see it out there. There's also, it's also on PyPy, and you can also find a website for this as well. Let me refresh this. So there's like a public website where you can get the documentation, their GitHub, which is just wild to me. This is Python, by the way. It is Python, but with braces. So I think it's either built on using like Python, or maybe the way Python does the translation between just the normal Python to Python. Maybe that's what they're using in PyGyat, I'm not sure. But I installed the extension in VS Code, and you can see it works. Like, it's recognizing the like the keywords or whatever. I'm gonna uninstall probably right after this video. I'm not gonna go any further. What I think would be really crazy is if people started like actually using this language, and that would be really interesting to see. Like, if people are I would imagine if anybody that does, they would be kids, but you know, building a real thing out of it. And that kind of stuff does happen, because I know with what was it called, Scratch, I think, which is that like visual connect, like puzzle piece type programming environment that's usually taught to kids. You can do, I guess, some pretty cool things in it if you know what you're doing. And so somebody could be doing that with this, who knows. But that's all I got. Thanks.